Julius Kyomuhendo Nigaga ng'emwe bali muno abakutuhondera oli hantekaniza olubazo. Some few weeks kabaho aba DJ naba MCs bana bakora mu night clubs abasemeza abantu bakaba nibetombo itangu abakama bamabara bakambe bikyaro bino ebasemerera mu abantu bagenda tibakubaha mirimo. Yeah, of course, Nyagamba way now. Baba hahu Nyagamba now today. The Kantoze, one of the MCs, one of the known MCs, MC Taylor. Nyagamba jetubazabaze mensonga zino. Abakimu abayire mukayire mutyo nkenjoki ezikunanka. So ngenda kusaba otaruga hantekaniza olubazo. Kirukini nuko tujja ku bantu rubati niho tujja ku bantu rubata entekaniza eno ngikoleire ha Fredora House no eri ya B&B okusagiye tongira kuntera akasimo okuboko banoenda kumara hebiro byawo nkani byebyo kaija na family yawe akaikara karungi akataina hotoko eri Fredora House no ija no baho usa kuntera namba yanga 0789927935 no gamba Julius kwenda genda ha Fredora House kurara yokora kiki bakuba these days mahoteli biki bakwenda abantu bakwenda private mahoteli agoti bakyagenda muno. So MC Taylor webale kwijja arantekaniza olubaza Kitara TV ngenda kusabora mukiye abantu tusimbura olubazo rwaitu
ego ogamba webale kwijja webale kusangwa mabara neiraka MC Taylor revinu bakante kaibali ya Mr. Corporate weta mabara gange nyine abakira tibagamanyire by the way basire mutawno kasera the only thing you na gambe the MC Taylor weta mabara gange nyine banyita akwetero John so MC Taylor kali hamu akwetero nyasara olete zikubanza akali mu akwetero alibo gro ibara akwetero okasara oleta zine zikubanza utayikira ati niho kuiha ibara Taylor Nijo gorora it is a unique name na abakira kuyeta mabara gandi related to tea tibasa kufuna eryange okweryange it's original ba MC have been a hype man buzz big buzz okasume karabiroho nkore mikoro weddings introductions wenyawe Kampala yakoraga weddings za amani muno na introductions nzikora house parties parties birthday parties get together zone zo zikora yeah so nichokura abandi abwa enkora yange banyita Mr. Corporate ati waitu munyoro Kyomuhendo
noni nyakubungisizo takagenzero kohona ati nyomba ile ne ibara Taylor halili yarugire ntakumanya but now manyireyo but me have at least nkumanyiro for some short time tikali karaira muno but at least nyeri ya John nkabandi manyire
bataita bali manyire
baita abantu batakulimanya. So now kirokinu embeba ile nyingi muno Nyagame tekanize tujja gikora tutakunywa kachayi tujja ku bantu kankane ebyenda enjure sibire netonya nuko gamba life kirokinu ba muntu takusana kuturuka ahero era singo tantabalire
ekanye muhabwe
now amabaragano gahoima definitely tigali mabaraga ingi jeri ma complaining agango tigaba hamirimo tutandikiraho henyini
hati
nkankusaba tegeze microphone yawo
hati ntaka balize bindi muno Barres tukumanya ezili active currently tuinaho Kefa Rhymes wile niyo bakubazaho empyaka esenamani tuinaho Cafe Milano yo has been yamani tuinaho Arrows Bar nayo yamani tuinaho Cats Lounge tuinaho Danjo Exclusive Lounge tuinaho Spot On buli ono bakubaza
Spot On ekyali Spot On batagindula iba
Akagenderamu Kataito beti
yagarukawo
yeterekereza yayombeka. It's now it's also good looking. Inafuna obiro karabayo. Twinaho atiwe no are bakweta former area public ageta
baitaga a public yaho abagabara ya manira buli bagitaga bataka yanya iwe pini mano gikenga bagitaga bote baleje ira buli kolini pub ira buli bagitaga kolini pub ruga best of the best ira buli bagitaga kolini pub bati yahinduka bagita the guest
formerly the guest but Dan is something like that.
Aragitwaire.
Yeah, there's a
he's trying to break it to kugirigara.
Now a new place.
Kandi kikaro kya man by the way.
It's a new place, so you don't bakatugambye kigenda maiso. I think kurabaga bakingwire. Aroho some music going on, you don't takatugambye what is following next.
Takata nankire.
Takata nike kuteka mwamani. So bazi zikanya no mtabani wa Kabagambe David nawe aina kibara kya kuraninga mpaija bageta vibes lounge
ekyali kya munywani wange bano bagudula
so nakyo kikweterekeza mpora abo kikwenda yekiro so bazi kyaija and mulingo tuina ekisahe no mulingo tugenda hosting Afcon kwenda kuikiriza nti na abantu ba businesses ba bazi Kampala from abantu abayina makasente kabo amaiso gona wagatumira
by the way meneri one of the cities now is ba kurankinga kuba ne partinga muno abo kuba hati nawe town ezimanyirwe zikuchakara muno of course Jinja Kampala gitotogibazo Kampala Entebbe bikiwa kiso ezo ziri kuli so hati kunu
aliyo
Mbarara
haliyo Gulu
na Gulu but you guys abataka chakalira Mbarara nkwenda abagamba temukarora ge Gulu hansi hano if you have never parted in Mbarara you have never seen heaven on earth habo kuba Mbarara bukataha mukikaro uri musiki oba norura abaniwe wenyini so I think na hati ya na Hoima yaija kandi Hoima twara ya 40 tubairo haigo but I think tugirabize
Hoima is so big and it is just the beginning
yes
so
twena nebikale bindi obayine
kugenda manya phase 2 ata au mbalize
timu bigenda
by the way there are also other good bars
bibana vibe
nambera abantu bagenda kandi banyumirwa
bibana vibe
kiko bayizo kitara fans by the way they are also elevating hati they trying to create something new kiri a bit classic
nkubaruragana ha TikTok I think
now they are going with the trend ochikenga so aroho kitara fans aroho phase 2 there's some other bars in Portland
arona kaikaro kendra kanu hahi na Koroping yaho street egyo haraka ikarakata ha
aro batala nawe batala haraka
aro happiness
ni ya batala
aro happiness eta hayo happiness eta
arona batala kira kuba
Jane happiness baitu bojenyo ogenda mbichweke bindi nosanga atali abantu bayingi baitu nogenda street okikengere street
ejamana usanga
aijwire
haina danja
haina danjo
aliyo chila
baitu wani kaka bakali ananka
mwajebi
mwajebi na hata hamani jebi aba nebyana byakabi
so bazi zili
now amabaraga nugona tiga ko bahamiri moteiro
ati omanyire a lot has been said by vigamo by vingi muno abojo babalize baitu ebarazo they are there batalimu abana bakorabo except barezi mbalizo hoga kubanza ezo
zinu ezimanyirwe nkeza iguru kuno
eza abana bojo bakubazaho aba DJs bakwe murugunyaho ziri too classy kandi bo bakunira kwabo manyire obusimi bwa karobo ba DJs bakaba taito ba MCs bali bataito nicho kurura kya koraga mahure kuleta DJ wa mani kuvuga Kampala MC wa mani kuvuga Kampala baitu wire uno kusanga omwana wa hano apikire
aliko wa Kampala
amana ateiremu wa Kampala kugenda ali natera disco no hana jana atera disco no lenya ukana etali yamani muno okikenga baitu nyo according to me emirimu erimu oiroho no wa business nawe aina
target
right yaye
na target zene bigenderwa byaye nko
ukora selection okwa atano otukunulira ba DJs na ba MCs tusakwe murugunya tugamba tibatu emirimo baitu to some point tuna kusunulira oli na wakozere business kiki kya kwetaga kiki kya kubara nyowe conversation yawe eno ngenda gitunulira in two ways ya kutunulira side ya ba MCs na ba DJs then kyole ku analyzing the side ya bars
abakamba mabara nanka niyo nkira kurura muno meranereta bametata on emma bameto bameta DJ hat
aroho ayeta ba DJ ba yaro wereta
aroho gumnakora na actually even recent anyeni boxing regard TikTok
DJ Mark
ugakora na nka na baliza no kubaza
twinaho DJ Cream ogo na wabukora na ibaliriza twinaho Selector Ryan gunakora na ibaliriza then twinaho no
mwita oba aroha onanyai aba muna TikTok omwita bati DJ Hogo
kandole DJ Ho we
niwe nkira kurura naranga tukujamira noho imaki omukengero ogo
in fact inayo na show 2008 Cafe Milano
wa maiwe habokuba habokwa ati bogamba inayo show mpunirire ge kurura na nyini boxing must be maybe akwenda kupushinga show ya that's then I think we getting a point.
That's true.
Anyini boxing yewe twabaza muno twagenda harayira twakikengi twakakanga zao bamweta DJ
kansere ibara hano ni tubazaga ni seraga ibara lya hano
na nankandura na Kefarims baleta aba Kampala karabuli balesere Rora
DJ Lola kaija yatutera muziki atokorora omanyi kintu kino kiri kikusigikira oli kiki kyakubara kandi yitwa bahanu machazi abuja abaroba kutere ndongo kwamba igenda kweza list ya ba DJs owo kuteka hala akakuterera music nayo okakora ki okasemererwa bana barohanu abongere mu amani kandi bakutero music ya kabi muno ni seraga ibale leka soga kweze list ya ba DJs between na hana abojo bokuteka bo muteka night akakuterera music mkoka gama mali ono DJ no mweta kuleta wa Kampala twinaho ba DJs nkakats DJ ogo kumanya twinaho DJs iko currently wakamu hosting a Milano previous Friday and I believe akakora what he was supposed to do twinaho MKT ogo na wa kutera kandi akurubata guruhona
MKT nwara hogo
MKT Dijo akira kuzana akira muno kuba Arrows actually no hosting a night ya Kiasabiti Arrows ba
Arrows manyire ziko I think ziko mukenga we
ati banu kwetaga oja kusero kando rule waka yabo then aroho shout killer ona akaba Milano
wa Milano akarugai
akaba Milano ataka crossing ala Kefarims
abugo shout killer mumanyire of course
the legendary actually okatenga kutere ndongo na bakati bandi bayijabuija
na nanka ba mosh
then twi katange ndongo na ba mosh twina mu DJ Snow Swiss K Darkness DJ Chris na bandi eka banu nibo abanjire
abakuri mu minds
then ba MCs haronyowe MC Tairo haro MC Ravi haro AZMC haro Makrebo Roma Tairo nyonkora buli hamu tikuli gamba
busao hali bakuhaire ente ate oli official
tinyina contract
twenda contract na bara yo
tinyina contract Wiro kya katano kira kuba Kefa Rhymes. Currently kubaga muna Kefa Rhymes. But mfune gigi ekumpa akasente karayiraho. Kefa Rhymes kubagamba kyale tinja kusobola. Kuba I don't have a contract. Then twinaho MC Revi. Twinaho AZMC, twinaho Makrebo ona akira kuba Revi akira kuba Arrows. Ezi na wakira kuba Arrows. Makrebo ogwaba Milano. Macris na waba Arrows. Sirio na waliyo aliyo MC Gapa ona akira kuba Cats. Then aliyo Jericho na wakira kuba Cats acho. Then twinaho Braxton MC aba munomu Drives. Then twinaho Kim Official na wakira kuba Arrows. Ati this tenu aliyo na abandi bentabalizo ekolekya nti abaana baroho bayingi kandi nabo bakayikara hansi bagamba leka ikintu kipike teke mu amaani okusobole kola kufuna emirimu ekinga ababunda abagayiga bayito tubabagerezeho kurra kiki bakuswa kola ki kora so ati nyowe ngambire bwe kutunulira side yaitu ba DJ na ba MC nja kutunulira about branding and packaging. Nyencho kujja kera otabukiro omugayiga butakwa gigi. Bayine bataka kwere gigi soko ikale hansi. Wetunulire nkaiwe ko omuntu. We habuze nyowe nyine kikwetagisa. Funa gigi ejo.
Ashenu mbegeni nyenda kuleta na DJ but maybe next week turabaho na DJ. Hati kinu kambanze mpabuze yuwe. What makes a good MC? Kama ati emotionally complete is a good MC amabaraga kusampangsa gabaga kaba comfortable now.
Ati MC ekyo kubanza wena kubanza kumanya nti audience yokolera ereta. Ati bara zinezikira ziri standard kanyikamba ezimbalizo gaitano ezo. The top 5 bars. That is Kefa Rhymes, Cafe Milano, Arrows Bar, Cats Lounge, Danjo.
Ziri standard yokumanyisa ziku accommodating a certain class of people, class zona.
Class ya abantu abakuija mu bars ezo.
Bakwawukanaho.
Basomereho. Kandi bakurubata na trends. So kuba MC kusobora kuba no ubundi DJ nanka omugayiga kweta kora mu bazi kezo. One ajja kufunulira your presentation ezoka yawe leta okumanya urujungu uko bali bantu basomereho okikenga okumanya music ogyetegereza okumanya
MC nawe nakuba amanyire music.
Oh my god, actually it is one thing that is very important for you to be an MC.
Mali.
Yes. Bogeno ukakora research ukatunulira the top MCs bohulira no yegomba. Ba MC Gogo, ba MC Cats, Casmil, MC Aro. There's this guy from the UK, Foley Focus. Then Arono MC wa Kenya. Mostly those top MCs, those guys bakuterekizina at this side aina kuba manyiro some part of it. Nasa kusinging nasa kuzina along the song. Bakwata kumanya kizina at least akusaki hypinga na flowing with the song.
Arona ba MC beturugire bazina Crystal Panda taba MC.
Crystal Panda is an artist, is an MC, is a radio presenter. So is an MC as well. Yes.
So oteka kuba na music ogimanyi like uba kuterekizina you can even sing along lyrics ozikenga kurungi.
Yes, to be a great MC oina kumanya music.
So basically it is presentation kuba with up to date ebiroho ebiri current music ogimanyi when you can sing along.
Yes.
So that's the standard MC.
Yes.
Now ati amabara gano go gamanyire potential yanye bali hano. Because ya kurozerenti kuspending a match kuleta wa Kampala kuleta wake would utilize the talents around.
Yes. Hati nyowe tinkugenda criticizing amna abakamba amabara bano abensonga abamuti bamanyire ngo abantu banu baliyo. Abamuti bakumanya nti tuli abamutuliyo. Oja kusanga ngo Teiro amanyira aliyo review akumanya aliyo obo haba kumanya aliyo eziboha batali abandi abali silent
hati being MC DJ Otaro lekaturani basically hari MC nawe uba ohikalevo nti oina kitera nobanka bantu bakumanyire nkobokorwa muzini bwa hasolinga ku kitera so it is the same hustle na MC
very much oina kora okuba bali batakurozere they will not see your value tibaja kwetegereza zangu this MC is good likewise the DJ itona we need that platform ochikenga so nikyo korora hari abantu abamo bukurura nti bo chance kubahereza chance abamo kibeta platform kibayamba muno kurugayo. For example, I'll give you an example. Nyowe during the lockdown I used to work sometimes nyeteka mna transport a Breeze.
Yeah, I remember Breeze.
Ninja nikitera and the crowd would really appreciate that. So to some point ngu harona biro ina pushinga koleki abantu that this is what I have. Kino nikyo nyina people see me that I can do this. When the people appreciate, that's when you step back and say, you know what?
I think kwenda akasente mu campaign, you understand?
Yes. Haruja kusanga like MC Teiro. Chakutano ndi Kefa Rhymes. Chamukaga ndi ha HB Hotel. Still ukuruga HB Hotel uja kubola no gamba still we need you at Kefa Rhymes. The crowd is small but we still need your presence here. Kubaliza these guys who are here. Ha Kefa Rhymes, Then Kasabiti, maybe Arrows Nekweta, Obakats Nekweta. Why? Because Bakumanya, the blending and your presentation as an MC, when the crowd ekube izire we kurora, which can, Bajagamba, this is serious. But Nichokura even these bars, Wakuba niba employing this amount of Wakuba said, they are going to look to take that into consideration. Bagambe DJ no tukuleta, aja kuizira hoki. Obutumu postinga crowd ejja kuija hano
ejja kuija habwa emusonu
yes
wachike orunde kinake bakibanga nte emusonu butramteka flyer will people come because of this MSO because of this DJ
nikyekyo ngamba so ati ba MCs na DJs twina kutunulira kintu kya branding and packaging. How do you package yourself? Previously akabaho conversation zinga TikTok aho kaniro okaze honde kira na mbere habaire bazini ba Uganda dibe murugunya hari Diamond Platinums mulingu gezire yabefolera ho akaizira munyonyi kibiki center katwara nyingi you get hata omuntu akuja na team yabantu kai 10 na akuizira munyonyi iwo izire with just a car. You okutekereza omuntu ogo mugenda kufuna nikyo. Omuntu ina management.
And by the way, branding itaga sente.
Yes.
It is very expensive by the way.
Like
to brand yourself, it is very expensive.
It is very expensive.
But it is worth it.
It is worth.
Bakaso akojo nyana nyaroga bojo nibatere nduru hari Diamond akojja kukateire mu in branding herself himself.
Yes.
Niga mazima keteiremu so, ati kandi na branding actually arona abazini butumanyire ntine ake branding akurungi but na talent atagine my branding again ina mulinga itini sana umuntu this guy mudamu busente buno mali kakateka butamugiyama
ati nyo oja kunyeta MC Teiro nje kukolera tutaka negotiating ile oja kuntere simugambe I will not accept to negotiate on phone nikale kanyijao so I will come driving my car and I park there burobero inamukiri kyogamba MC Teiro no kamuheze mitware 5
ujagamba ati
at least you'll double it kana nyowe nkuija when I'm negotiating nja kutandika mitware 2 and as I'm talking nja kugamba ati uja kunulira mafuta wiki na watu wenkuija nabo you get so branding is very important ochikenda there is a time nambera roho akaba muisikia kama nakora birthday party na gikora amika so many people they referred her to me ngamba MC Teiro yanterera. I had a night hangout kaba kyakana obyanterera abantu bonna bantega nimbagamba no, I will not be able, ndi busy. I'm very busy. Omusi wenyine yanterera yangamba buli omwe nakungamba iwe ati nkozere enta. That time omayaro sometimes when by in my free time nina could delivering some things. Hata kanyeta akabala salon akabala aduka ye yanyeta to meet me to negotiating. Nkabandi byange. But I remembered I'm going to meet a client. Kandi client obagambira a lot about MC Taylor. So I nexisani quote about MC Taylor. You know what? But I realized that I was not smart. Nkamteresi mgambo. You know what? Arekite kifunire ikiri agent nja ku meeting arwebaki. By the time I met this person, I was very smart. My codes what? Yegenya meeting a salon yakabali expressions. My first impression ya boine akampera out the deposit. Nesati zakana atekeze kumpereza, she doubled it because of how I presented myself. So your presentation mubantu is also very important. It's part of your branding and packaging. So about DJs na MCs, much as tukwetaga these gigs, tugezeho terekereza branding yaitu packaging yaitu
bajja kwe branding.
Yes.
Baita amabaraga ntigatito muno kugakora mu inywena. What about maybe ba MCs ba DJs baka thinking out of the black of the box, the box hatinka yo for example you're not only working mumbara but you know gigi bwa weddings birthdays.
Yes.
But DJ bana abandi na ba MCs abandi they're thinking about that inti baleme kuba only limited mubara abo kuba ntito ni gamazim.
Yes.
Kandi night is ba Friday, Saturday, Sunday or maybe hagati yo mu Wednesday.
Atekyo nkiresege in part of my gondi way forward. Ngambirege for example nyagamba much as tukutalibana tuina kwetegereza nti we have inadequate airplay. Okwa tukwantu negotiating tuina to some point kwe comparing aho nabanka nabakule bakuleta chikenga
bakura bakwasinga
okuba I reached one of the people obakani wa complaining abantu ba complaining aho uyangamba we bwabana employing DJ ba MC atunulira hawaka yoina oina waka ki you get by to some point nyosa nsagamba DJ na bamuno NTV le kamulete but naitwa abakamba bafu na kutulira ensonga yogamba nti airplays nanka airplays mbunjoro zili in title tuna TV stations in title tuna radio stations in title and of which nazin radio stations ezimu tiba kuhereza ba DJs na ba MCs emirimo. I don't know why, maybe that will be another discussion. But nekindi kiri nti ikukubalizo diversification nti tuna kufunulira omulimo gwa MCing gwonka
no gusakuba gwe MCing but should I give an example nyo kundora han sakuba nyina business zindi but omulimo gwange it is content creation.
Yes.
Basically na business zindi zenyina ziruga mu content creation. I believe kuba MC osobola kikora munika nikihindura your life. But kimbaini ngamba otatunulira nti at now mabara
only bars zonka you can diversify
iwo kimanyira roba MCs be mikoroko Kampala ba weddings baba pangisa not even less than million 2 million 3 for wedding
they can't kusekeseo. One time nyowe omanyire me I have friends everywhere especially na Kampala ati nyina obi wange nkasoma nawe makerere. By that some people get shocked kundura andi ha microphone banira bundi I'm just an MC ndi msajja asomere. I'm a professionally a teacher, a science teacher, mathematics, economics. Jagisiza amasomero ka Mpoma School, St. Joseph's na Magunga na be lockdown ya izini nkabandise nikafuno mulimo gwa seta high. Ni lockdown ya koraki ya tahamu. So it changed my mindset. That's why I'm not there. So when I have friends ata romnyo wanga yantere ya raga post zange ze mikoro nyakoraga yantere yangamba rogigi hano yangabo okora okolera sente zinga sente za ba MCs hano basaba, the top MCs basaba. Nyamugamba, you know what? Butakurabya ko yo my friend nkwetaga emitwalo nkaaga. Yagamba nja kubaza muno omugole, I'll get back to you. Oyo balizo no omugole yamugamba MC akwene emitwalo nkaaga. Kagamba that one doesn't look to be a serious MC.
Ati we were one time to come to quoting for some gig mu total oku. Twina mulimo gutwali ntwenda. Ati ntukotinga prices zino MC abazini biki bati baina MC abwentajja kubaza, but one of the biggest MCs okugulumba chori oko, one of the big guy. So nyamutera hesimu, man, abantu bakwe brandinga. You know, guy negotiation price akatandikira millionaires. Nasinga even
the DJ, even the
artists, but Kampala biso bati bokuleta million 5 is an MC map country guru.
No kumumanya.
You understand? And in total no yayendaga.
Kandi bamuwa mulimo nkumumanya.
You understand? So nyagamba
in fact ogo akantu arogig yang because the previous time you can tugenda ha
agulu gutwagwa kubwa hata rogwa
was celebrating 100 years.
Yes.
Can okimanyire this a sentence vampire, I was so shocked. Katakazi funaga in my life. Yes.
And you did a good work.
They gave me 800,000.
And you did a good work.
How to imagine actually I can tell you something in Mubazi. But I can tell you something yangamba. MC Teiro kufunile gig ogyaga nakora mu total they are celebrating 100 years. How much can you work for? Tuli amsente zibatwereza hano mitwaro 15 mitwaro 2. Nyamugamba I'll work for 400,000. Yangamba oli muraga. Osabira ana nyongya kuteka okinana. Yangamba chonka abantu bano bona mba matizi nyabagamba nkuleta MC kuruga Kampala. So nkwetaga deposit nke mwanza kusindikira. Nkwetaga oguleho enkaito ye mitwaro 2. Oijogi jwaile. Bukuba abantu ekisane kimbahire it's so big. Yara kabanda yasike mitwaraga asimu. Gena mdukanya gure enkaito it was 160. Niyo kaito nyajwaile. Nekali after the gondi you appreciated, you did a great job wiki yamsindikya the balance.
It was a good job. It was a good job. Ogwakozere but kekengeza kugamba
yes.
It anti branding,
yeah.
Still branding and putting a price on yourself. Can't I think not that will carry mukono in a kakora. Buju nyokundura hanu nyo content creation yange bino. Abantu bake abampikira turange tupostinge bojo singanya ikirizaga buli muntu ekiba ihamu price of course there ati bakaire kanuka bo politicians the price ni yeba ihamu so you can even brand yourself naka price no ganti you know
ati jo previous alliance is simu in joking way kumanyirete iro arohaka birthday party hanu kemanye ndora barabe muke sahe mu 2 ngamba sahe mu 2 futakura byakuba emitwaro 10 ya choice ati nimanya gamba ona benenda kumba sentenzinga so bro ekintu kya branding is very important then apart from branding but DJs na MCs MC ogya kwangwirwa kufuna omulimo okozere duo aba DJs na MCs Kampala maiki akora bokuleta MC sorry DJ DJ ni wabanza kufuna omulimo baitu DJ akujja na MC owaye
nkora non
yes no kuba na negotiating sente akujja kugamba sente ziti nkujja na MC wange so kumwe kumisa ibo okuba no mwezo omulimo oina kiteka in your mind nti akujja na MC so there are two habake kuleta MC on baikaire nabo
bamanyanga ine
bakumanyangana amanyi DJ wana gya kutire kizina kiti akorati ochikenga so you will always see a flow kan niko abantu bakabani ba connectinga DJ na MC you always see a big night njukura nyo most times I work with the Cats DJ ebirunde kusinga njukura the time has to be duos so it is also a good idea have MC na DJ kufuna MC wawe mukananga ogoja kufuna MC ondi muleme kwatagana mu Luganda bakita kulabisa akulabisa ijuka niwe omuntu wakaba ino muzinda is the king of the party gwa kusa kubaza anything aja kulabise ochikenga so to some point DJ funa MC wao omukwatagana so that mufunege na akaire ko kumitinga kuraba music you revise make research deka wikaro gambe no in your corner gambe I'm the best DJ
baita roba DJ araba DJ bemanyire hano hoima abo manyire bokagenda mbara natera kizina nanko genda kuma no manyagaruzo kiti abo kiretere bwaki aishweya omanyira bwatandikire kutera kinu atajagenda mapiano ajagaruzo kinu when you can predict their playlists habo waki
ate abamu tibakora research bakuba comfortable ekiba kutera kandi maybe tibaina bwire bugamba hati this time abantu bangere kamba kolemo a new blend of music
by the way kugambire kim people will not believe but I was close to some of the some DJs in Kampala baro kimanyire whenever they were going for a night abanza na playing music mulinga jagi playing I swear na ikara sitting room ye na kwata laptop ye na player yaye na playing practicing what is going to play to the night
atumanye nabamba DJs ekibakoraka ekingambirege nti ohakomanyire people tibakwikalira they are doing content ola kwata na kwata abanywani baye ndibamwemere nyuma nalika kutera music cameras mulimo na kwata TikTok videos but abalenyi bano hypinga you get so all of a sudden akaposting renka ha TikTok ha YouTube that is also another way but DJs na beba koraki bakwekorezinga hano kyani geni ngamba inadequate airplay due to few media houses twina media houses ntaito but TikTok is for everyone YouTube is for everyone because they say let the people know ati hano nyo eteiro hano kale we might be in a plan to also start doing YouTube and TikTok with my DJ Cuts by two hano bakumbanya hoima hano but imbara roha kumanya
what is the name of that DJ ogo utwage ntutoze ibara habokuba you have brought a very big point aba DJ bahana ba MC bataka kengere there is a big platform ibainaho TikTok ibakusobora ku utilizinga iwo sa complaining aho imateko hamirimo but oambara rajya kuleta as a pro abokuba kurozerenka you understand habo kuba hano muka hano people we basa kudespise bi but oambara na ku internet na kurutwara oli wa amani
muno
that guy ogogo wakira kuba yaze following wa mitwaro kinano bayinga amani gaga kusinga gakaruganga TikTok
actually abana
you understand aroho musigazo muto kasuku uyarozere recently muto pro DJ muto pro kasuku akaba na scrollinga nko yagambira nakaba na scrollinga yagwa akantu kwa ika mix actually ina akantu kwa ike yakozere na playing ebizina byaba different artists mukaira katito hata aka content ke yakozere akatera 30 songs eza kamilioni ini oba wazite oba mu dakika 3 oba mu dakika zinga hati kasuku yakarura yakagonze yamubazaho do you know that guy even got artisazina ina no muri ma radio 80 ama clubs nikoga kakusiba nigampangisa because of that. So and I think much as sagamba ma radio gano tigaga bafaha mananka mabara gano tigaba hamirimo but there is even that okwetundu uta
ese kumanyire
market yourself onayo sakwiye yakana
mbarara ejja kuheto mulimo
and mbarara there's actually there is a lot of opportunity outside Hoima
opportunity
nyingi 40
40 ejja kuheto mulimo
a lot of opportunities outside Hoima. So I think a point you're saying nungi muno yokwe marketing kwekora yuga content siba was what the problem is intajja ku blaming most of the people ebintu bino ebintu bya DJ bakozesa bita expensive ni gamazima
ebyoma
abo kuba ekintu ekyo kola content amazima ina kuba ine ebyoma byawe and I don't think most of the DJs are no bine
ati aho mbayigenye ndakwizira kugamba nti
bakozesa ebyuma bya mabara biki ati of course player ye bara tajja kukezo kitwalo muawo muka you understand
ebana ndifunire bawita DJ
Magical K ndiwo
ogo mojo ali DJ wa TikTok TikTok niye kozereki niye mulesere harona abazini abayizire because of TikTok
baingi
Bozambe ono Kapeke bona bakuyukira nkaha ha TikTok. So this is a wake up call.
TikTok ya buli omu.
Wake up call.
Some of us say tumanyire because of TikTok.
Wake up call to all the DJs and MCs. Mojenywe. Leka tukose TikTok. Leka tukose YouTube. Ense jatumanya. Oje kubola from nowhere. Omuntu from Mbarara, from Mugulu, akuterere simu. Akwerizo mulimo. You get? So, much as the air media houses in Taito, but we have TikTok, we have Facebook. We have Instagram.
So bakole content.
Let's do content. Let's concentrate on content. Tulega kutunulia only ni hoima wetu immediate batuhaire.
No basana kuba baitu ntito. There are quite a number of opportunities outside here.
Any much as kale tuli hano. Kwa tuenda bazi tuweze respect. Leka muko taina giki. Sigara yo muko byamire. Leka koyolekya bulomu. Nti handi hano noboko taina moge ndo sabirize no oro taina gigi akiri bura bagende kuleta ojinko buntu muyaka it's also part of branding
na branding
scarcity is also part of it then yolekya value boko izira stage kale noboko bonozoka mu bantu otazoka oli awo fake twara okurungi
Aro msiwe manyire wewe mshola jwara kubi. Majeni. Anyway, maybe no percent bakuba butito.
Hata aho kwija nti boko oli in public kale no kota ina sente kale akasati kabe nikanyirira akahali nikanyirira na kaitu karoho katalika isakwa bitali bya bei muno baitu zoka kurungi. Then twalizege akindi expand network like using social media TikTok, YouTube. Then creating a following. Funa abanywani. Nyowe bwe kuba nijja kuleta abara yange. Nina kutunulira nebite ebikoraki ebikuli enyuma. Oje kusanga aro one time nkaba TikTok one of the bars ekaba negamba nti on Sheila Gashumba hosting a night in one of the bars in Kampala, and this girl earns 8 million. Bamusasura 8 million.
Yeah.
8 million for just a night.
And someone was yagamba
yamuhaza
no what na interview niye mtu arozere nayo.
Yes.
Yamukaguza yamugamba million 8 mbuyi ati bora bankolere million 8 zinga. Why can't I give him million 8?
Ono mwana ajja kuija on your show. Akole calls zabagaiga amanyine ngo buli tebe kuija ajja spending not less than a million. Over 2 million. Hati wakuba kuletire table nka 15 is spending like 2 million. How much is that? Over just tables. Hati haro crowd energy kuija because you have a crowd. For example, there's something I wanted to do on the 30th. Kwenda kora the MC Taylor birthday party. It's not an explosion. I talked of an explosion by Nyagamba. Let me wait for it. But this is just a birthday party. Kandi nyowe, I have people. There are people abarubatana nyowe. Abengamba we. Actually, bantira butira nesimu. Taylor gyakubanka.
Tugende nayo.
Yes. There are those business people. Abaru ebendu batanabo. Bamanyire Taylor gyakubahan, they will be there.
Letaka tugende.
Bamanyire, I will make a mention of them, their presence. And that is an advertisement. Nyakubaza Oiland, mbazeho Swaibu, mbazeho UK Smart, mbazeho mu Japan, mbabazeho Irene Fashions, mbabazeho. Kani nyowe mkubazaho. It is oboyendeze to give me a token over what it does not. Me, I'm creating.
But omuntu feels appreciated. And yeah, this guy I'm going to be
yes.
Mansa barakabaga hali kunhala genzere nyina kugendayo
and no strings attached,
which is okay because
ompaire obato ompaire it is up to you banyonkuru
but I think point ndiyo balize
yes
creating a following
yeah
nti bokuba no jagenda ku playing somewhere
yes
nti abantu banojja batwaro bayikumi babayinga baga team Taylor ati Taylor ali kuno arrows Taylor nika tugende nawe and they will go and spend
yes
you are giving a reason
because of you
kuleta bulitaire ku
hati nyowe have people abampabuza hati oja kusanga mu Japan yakoma where are you going to be UK ojja kubanka Swiber kwabuza ojja kubanka nanka Irene Fashion ojja kubanka you get HB kwabuze Mike kwabuze okukoona ndabire yo you get hati okubagamba njja kuba Hakefa Rhymes trust me abantu abajja kuija the witness we are there bamanye kandi baroho they will try to show you that they are there just a mere mention is enough for them ochikenge so creating that following nakyo kikuongeraho value nomugaiga bwakuba nakuhumulima agamba buli bwende Taylor on stage
aleta n'abantu
aida abantu abakuja bamulenyuma baspending sometimes omugaiga akiroda through your interactions okwanywaza MC my time we kwampa omwiremu nje kuja mbonge abantu bangi nge mwebale kuija hadda nomugaiga banaro kubonga hono kuramukyono nagamba
wow nitusembera kumalira entekanza ebintu ebimusinga kunduma halinye ba DJ team next week ajja kuija kimanyire MCs and DJs nanye mukwenda baba he milimo you mina talent zanyu with different capacities atarona talent ya music ya Bunyoro hano why do you undermine abazini bano baba izire mu baraza nyoko you fail even to mention malo muzini wana izire Bunyoro hano mali you fail even to play akazina kaye mali ekintu eki why baba kimukole ekintu nkeki
ati okora
because they believe me ikiriza yanga arabazina bakya struggling to make it
yes
baita arabazini abarestablished Bunyoro ebitumanyire
of course
when he comes on the bar kiki kikulimisa to hype him up
of course ati bokubola ofigo west
kanda izire mu bar aina following
Serena katahamu Ronet Hola katahamu Kim Sela bakatahamu those boys
have to mention the okatera akazina kambubiri okagenda
those guys ati atokorora nyowe by the way niko kumugambire I mention people without any strings attached over you're giving me and I don't mind but as long as I've seen you can kumanyira I do a mention goze bachali banga I mention them that one depends on the preparation ya DJ ukumanya na ba DJ nabakwaukana aro as an MC aro je wenja kurura mugambe wewe twina Ronit Holy sere yakazina akakuraiminga na kana BPM yolimu okatere biko na wakoleke feeling within the part joma okijja kwangwira akatere haro dijoma kubata ina ebizina ebyo you try to find a way of providing
atabina ata because Taylor me I don't buy argument ya ba DJ bagamba mu bizina byawo byoina mu laptop yawe abazini banu betubalizo abale established Bunyoro bemanyire nti toina mu bizina bya at least nkabitano okuba oli DJ mulungi wa Bunyoro hano
ati ekyo
duka hari banu bapukamingi betukugamba bano nti bakyayibgura baita abazini abatumanyira abale established you don't have 5 songs za Figo you don't have 5 songs bya Crusher bya Serena bya baba bazina batumanyira bali bamani you don't have 5 songs mu laptop yawe at least
ati okorora
that is
nyo one time chinja kubaza ibara there is a DJ akabana playing or working together then barege kabamu abagongo bayingi lunyara gabo jimterona byatu byorugongo nenya gamba DJ kwenda playing ekizina kyorugongo ano bana teneleki that time we had hosted the DJ Lola kuga Kampala I like DJ Lola because of her presentation we yayikire the first time akangamba MC kweno unkomere ebizina nkabitanu ebikira kunyuma hano Bunyoro nyabi muselectingira bitanu kandi yabitera and the crowd appreciated ati DJ ono mnyabalize nawe yangamba mani nyowe settingirigera nankanyange tikwenda bintu bindi okora kikuntali baniza nyagaza nyamugamba baita raka sabire and is going to give you a token DJ looked husband nyo bwembaza na DJ akanyolekya timulemberaho okuba is the own of the night no playing a music hati wakana playing nyo mbwene it is hard kimulemese ize yake nyabaza na Lola yoga Lola sere kizina kino during your play kwendo kiplaying I want to tell you Lola we are playing ile kizina kiri DJ kya yangire ku playing omugaiga kaba kisabire na timu ye omugaiga wonyina akamutera ebi akaba bisatu then nabana abandi bamufuira set nkasanga sente zijuira aho zingi nyonka ba decide nika zinu zoro kuziri yagabe kizina kiri kyomba ile kikolere
and by the way that's what makes a professional DJ by the way you understand yes. Hati I don't know inti DJ was settinga I'm not a DJ but at least I know some of things of the DJ to be a BPM wiki intene sakuberi mu 12 biki but I don't find it a reason ntabakota kusakuplaying kizina maybe ono playing ankalingara abwebizina ebindi tojja kiteka mulingara that one is understandable but can't a professional aroba probas DJ abali professional na kurolinga na kuya mulingara kandi na kugara kuno hands there's there and people will still continue dancing
aba DJ ekikwetaga twetegereza ngane nti tutukwetera music yaitu
webali
abakamu baitu abajja recommendinga ni baba bokuterera abali mu bara bwiro buno mukamu wawe wenyina kusasula tali mukamu wawe that time
bano bana bakunywa
aba bakunywa they are the bosses namba kweza mukamu wawe sente zijja koraki zijja kusasula sometimes study your crowd utikize crowd ene kwetaga ki omuntu wakubayizira akakugamba I want this song kebero orolo bwire bokatira kandi bokwa no baza nawe mugambe wewe dina BPM yange bera ikapoint eti yakatera okikenga sometimes ekyo kituyambaho even to have more recommendations njukura DJ aja kutera na ikiro kinda agaruke ne kiro kinda akoleki iwe habuza bwaki milano ne kuleta magical keke alero omwezi gokuja negakane muleta nakuli ne muleta ne kuleta selector around bakina sometimes they take that into consideration.
But these DJs understand the audiences like na in your MC do you really understand audiences zanjizimba mwina because as an MC by the way MC na ba DJ ekinte kiyamane abakusinga kindure kibanagiriza ku understanding audience.
True. I think some DJs do, some DJs don't. DJ waka setting a playlist yaye aja gitera mpake kozere
habokuba when you understand the audience tell let me tell you this arohe bizina ebyo jja kuplayinga hamerano obara kupangisa tugeze nka the vibes ya mpaija I don't think it near the same playlist you just
ochikenga
you understand the audience
yes
ndobora kupanga beja kutera kitara fans it is not the same eyoja playing
okay, right.
Do these people understand the audiences zino zibani people playing giramu
me I think DJs need flexibility that is being flexible nti bwempikire hano quite much as by setting the playlist yang but bwempikire hano ngeze kwesanga crowd eri hano ereti hati what like there is that Friday na betu ageze with Cats DJ Bugoma aliye bara Mr. Ebogate baka to inviting to the extent imagine that bar paid us a lot of money ikituka kunihira compared to the bars here kandi bakabani batupostinga Cats byakasindike posted bakora poster zindi bakora na drive omoja katuba pressure bakuleta Cats MC Teiro bona bisani babirora hali omoja kakora na drive abantu bakayika batulindire hati bakareka tutele simu saa hezi but they wanted us to play kugasa mukaga but I want to tell you tukayika in the other bar tukesanga ebali tukantunirangwe limu abantu bekyalo kyalo tukesanga abantu bali bamanyi the music
kando kwaruga yaba Kongo baki atijuka no kali influence ya mafutaho
those people on TikTok I want to appreciate Cats DJ we are it they say that the crowd is like this they can't setting he adjusted
but Cats is a professional DJ I think it comes with the experience with time yeah
and even go the ability to adjust haroli wogamba wena alemerayo you get so nyo banyenda kubazaho some few things about our bars nti sometimes ekikuletereza ebyo ba bosses okwesanga nti some abamu baina wrong perception ngo abakampala bamani kiranka abanka abakunu bebere nti nabantu bakunu bakozereki but iremo and they are very good. I'll give an example of Mbarara and Gulu.
Embracing na anka iri global ebizina byabali ndabani bibayinde trending zinizo zimu
ngo nti oje kutunulira Mbarara otunulire Gulu, those people have embraced the local talent. Tiba tunulire TikTok tiba kutunulira na anka manya NBS obaki, but for them they have understood nti abana babo bakuzire musically. Ochikenga asi nanke perception yogamba ngo Kampala is so big ebarugiremo abantu bambara, they are embracing their local talent. Bamanyire ngo DJ wabagenda kutera music kizina kyajja kutera no Kampala tikijja kuhindura any beat of it kijja kusigana nikyo kimu. That's why local talent yawa they are investing and they are giving opportunity to their local talent. So abakamba mabara they are still having that wrong perception. Two, mbaliza bakamba mabara na management ya mabara, not only bakamba mabara, bakena have that wrong perception. Ngudiji wa Kampala wamane mno kirashi wakono. Two, aba advisors. Sometimes abagayi gabani bakutandika this bar business, but aina a lot of knowledge. Baina ba advisor, ata ba advisor bano. Baina bakubakengera. They have their own hidden intentions. Ochikenge eba ku benefiting ngamo ola manyite nti
amugayiga kumugamba DJ nanka muletera milioni 2 tamanya muhiraye mukichwe
oba kumanya ngo ngia kuleta cuts cuts we muleta cuts ajja kunsa emitwara ana
tajja kulya ka commission
atende kajja kulya kyamani amanyire ngo mugayiga nyenki ajja ku meeting cuts ngo aba cuts abakonse irege ochikenge abakonse abirege emitwara 5 kumbe katsi asabirege bondi banegoshye ba agamba tukanta kuseka kusabe gasatu ajja kwangwa kuikowa ali katsi ochikenga so nikyo kula atoli wakufuna DJ ndi kale amolekeza ina waka TikTok ajja kumubuza mgambo no wamani amanye kula ajja kusaba akakaide kumba muleti mitwara
MC Taylor nteka ndento jagigaruka mu next week kwenda tukange hano next week nyambo ndetero one of the DJ abe hapaneno tuongere ku kichaki kya mtu nyumiyemu ebintu bine ebinde ebime bikusinga obwingi baitu hati kwendo raga abantu tumalire
webale muno ba Kitara TV ku data for today's program babane iraka ba inter MC Taylor Mr Corporate mba hype man mba show host mba MC web koromba byona nkubasima muno mwebale kwa kutuhuliriza no kuturora bingi ebitulekereyo ebitukujja kwa ntwongeraho nyenkya dekamba program yange ya weekend nyenkya confirmed nkubaza program ziri confirmed nyenkya Friday njya kuba Kefa Rhymes after the live band haliyo live band ya mani muno baget Sweet Jam band jure kabatera abantu banyumirwa na nyenkya ekuija. And after the band manye kitukora MC Taylor with my team njya kuba Kefa Rhymes then ikyamkaga njya kutandikira HB tuinayo the Unplugged Saturday naho habayo live acoustic eba band ya bagayiga aba tebayo kwechamura muno baituka bakantu kali soft bantu nibanywa gani banyumirwa ni baziha njya kuba HB Hotel then bwendugaho of course in connecting Kefa Rhymes ni bayo tubayo nabantu ababayo then Sunday tinkafunire any confirmation but I'll be within town. Yes, so kubasima muno let's always tune into Kitara TV tuhulirize kandi tunyumire kandi twege.
Okay, thank you so much Taylor. Of course nkwenda kuba sima babire no batuhondera ku rugali tukatandikirege Saturday tukulonchinga Kabalega resort ya kunu cyaro Nyamasoga. So Nyamasoga tujye tukwija mumani this Saturday tukujja kuronchinga Kabalega Resort Hotel mwebale muno kutuhondera of course kubajukiza boko bano enda kurubata na link bus boko bano genza kugenda hona haluka kwenda genda kwetoro lihanga link bus nekyokunywa ekyampenko ni kitoze maduka gona gakutunda ebyokunywa kikunywa kitajja kurumya omutwe kitajja kubyamirira ekyokunywa kirungi muno nikyo akyampenko nitubaire na MC Taira ntekanzo rubazo
umunyikize ntumiroho ni bange ba Swipe Phone Tech Japani UK smartphone Iron Fashions then Jamila with perfumes HB family basically that
okay leka tuchaitane nyenki mutebwa nyenka kyakatanu tomorrow Friday we have ekiererezi hakitara TV saa nazo ibiri ezyarwebagyo tujja kuba tuitaitana mubai
ekatandike kamanyire notes zone kaije zisomere ebikwetagise kaije bikozere nikyo kurora mani ekyayebembeire yo wara people banyitarapa diko mbagamba mbweneva no online mbanindura Kitara TV mani oli wakabi muno agerindiro webale girora mani big up on yourself yamani
Kitara TV kwegesa kumanyisa